An American woman who had lived in China for 14 years feels emotional revisiting the city where she was brought up. Prsila Brewster-Gill, born in 1934 in China's Fuzhou, was recently invited back to the city for a China-U.S. people-to-people friendship forum. The Brewster family has an enduring bond with China. Prsila spent her childhood in Fuzhou and her father was the director of a local hospital. The family has stayed in a villa in Guilin in the suburbs of the city, where they used to enjoy their summer times.
It's wonderful. We went there every summer when I was here, as a girl, and we had, lots of friends, and it was like paradise to go up to there, and the beautiful views. This time, when we were invited back again, and it's very emotional because I'm so happy to be here, to be invited here, to bring my granddaughter, another generation. So my grandparents worked here, and my father was born here, and I was born here, and now because of the invitation, I get to bring my granddaughter, and for her to feel that great love for China and for the Chinese people. I mean, it's my heart. My heart is here in China.
During the visit, Prsila was impressed by the development in the city.
Amazing. It's wonderful what has happened. And everywhere we go, it is so beautiful. And they've done everything. Even the sides of the highways are so beautiful. We think it is just amazing what has happened in China. Such a wonderful, strong country now, and such wonderful people. We're so happy for China.
Prsila's granddaughter was also touched by her family stories with the friendly city.
Everybody's been so kind and welcoming. I'm all about community and friendship and loving everybody. So it's been nice to be in a community that has that same sense in their heart. I think storytelling is really important. I've heard them all my life, but being here, I now know I'm going to have it in my brain forever and in my heart forever, and will continue to pass that along.